Welcome to Jai Sri Kadai Katha, and we have got a very special recipe. I have got it from the Miapur Tuesday Fish Market. The fish is Mrigel fish cooked with potato and tomato, and sit till the end. And before we begin, please like my channel because by liking you are doing a great job. Thank you. And we have taken the Mrigel fish marinated with salt and turmeric, taken tomato, potato, coriander and green chili and ginger, and we put 3 tablespoons of oil for frying the fish, and we are allowing the kadai to heat up and really smoke. And when the temperature reaches, we'll put the marinated fish and cook it both the side until well colored. 3 minutes this side, 3 minutes the other way, and remove. We should not cook it till very crispy, because once we do that, all the water from the fish evaporates and the taste of the gravy doesn't improve. We want the gravy to be very tasty till whenever we eat. So the fish is done, we'll remove the fish, and another 2 fish done is pending. We'll fry that also. So you can see in the same oil we are cooking the fish or frying the fish. This fish is also done. We'll remove the fish in the same plate. Now I'll put cumin seeds in that oil and fry the potato, which is cut into segment lengthwise. You can see whenever we are putting the potato, it is steaming. That is the beauty, like the temperature of the cast iron remains as it is. So we have to cook it with the lid and stir it. You can see the color has come in the potatoes, little brown color. In this we'll add salt and turmeric. Now we'll stir with the potato together, and it looks so colorful. In this stage we'll add spicy red chili powder and coriander powder and cumin powder, ginger paste, and stir it. This is very important part. You should not avoid. When we do this, the masala will stick to the potato, and we are adding the hot water. You can see the hot water. When we are putting the hot water, it is bubbling. So the temperature of the cast iron is giving all the temperature to the hot water, so that it boils immediately. So that is the good part. So we have got fish stomach. We have put that fish stomach in the gravy as well, because we like it. And we'll be putting the tomato, and we'll put the lid on to cook it for 5 minutes with the green chilies. So after 5 minutes we'll remove the lid and check for the doneness of the potato, but the potato is still little hard. We'll add the fish, fried fish, and cook it along with the potato so that the potato becomes soft and tender, and the flavor of the fish goes in the gravy. So this is the actual formula for any Bengali fish curry. So this will cook it for another 3 to 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, we'll check the seasoning, if any salt, spicy chili is required or not. I've seen the salt is little less, so I'm adding little salt. And we should not stir so much so that fish breaks, because fish is just shallow fried, not crispy fried, and if you stir more there is chances of the fish breaking. So we'll not do that either. So after this is done, we will garnish it with chopped coriander leaves, and we will remove. You can see the gravy looks so yummy, and we will remove this in a borosilicate glass container or bowl, and we'll be doing the plating. If you liked my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And you can see how beautiful the fish is looking. And this is Jayashree Kadai Katha, and my recipes is given at the end of this video, that is now. Any doubt, please look into the recipe, and you are always welcome to ask me any comment. I am here to assist you. Thank you. See you again in the next video. Bye bye for now.